Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Brenda, again with another motivational cleaning video. So today I'm going to be doing a deep clean with me. I'm going to be deep cleaning my fridge. Yes guys, as you can see, it's so dirty. I know this is real life and it really happens. This is life, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how I deep clean it and everything that I use to make it keep smelling fresh. There's nothing so relaxing and exciting to see like a clean fridge and odorless fridge. But guys, it happens at times, it gets to this level, but I hope I'm going to clean it and you're also going to feel motivated. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Thank you. Okay, so normally I usually switch off my fridge when I want to clean it, but this day I had no intention of cleaning the fridge. But you know that instinct when you see something and you say, oh, let me just clean my fridge instead. That's what happened on this day. Yeah, that's what happened. So I just started cleaning it there and there. I did not put any like to say I'll clean my fridge tomorrow and switch it off at night. No, it was on and I cleaned it whilst it was on. Yeah, that was it, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I do motivational cleaning videos, I do lifestyle videos, I do cooking videos. So I hope you enjoy my content and you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So to clean my fridge, I usually use any dishwashing liquid that is in my house. So for today, I had Pril dishwashing liquid that I'm using to wash my dishes. So it's the one that I'll be using to clean my fridge and to wash my glasses with. And I'll also go in with sodium bicarbonate powder. It is the one that I use mostly when I'm cleaning my fridge and when I'm cleaning the sink, the drainages, it absorbs and it gets rid of all the smell, the bad smell or the bad odor that is in the fridge or on the drain. So yeah, that is what I use. So simple, but it just the end results are so amazing, so clean, odorless, and so good.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through? In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for
Guys, yes, I really feel that I neglected this fridge. Normally I usually, if I see any spilled anything that is like food spills and all, I just clean it there and there. But I don't want to lie, this season has not been good, a good season, I think, for most of the people. Yeah, the spirit is low, and yeah, just because of things that is happening. So yeah, but I just found my fridge so dirty and so dirty. So yeah, guys, so whenever you just feel like you have the strength that very day, just get up and do something that you had not planned to do. It's good to just do something that you had not planned to do at time, not always plan and yeah, and not do the thing. So now I just felt happy that when I finished cleaning my fridge, I felt so happy and so good. I hope you also be motivated to clean whatever, be it to rearrange, to do whatever, to declutter, and yeah, just to make your that spot or that place look amazing. Thank you so much, guys. You're so amazing and you are so wonderfully made. Thank you so much. So to keep my fridge clean after this deep cleaning, I just thought of using these Ziploc plastics to protect my freezer space. So I'm just going to lay it on the freezer, the freezer sheets. You'll see how I'm going to put it, guys. It's so helpful. I just saw other ladies on YouTube how they protect their fridge from getting dirt. So that's what I'm going to be using, but on the freezer side, because that is where you usually put meat and it stains my fridge a lot. As you can see, those are on the drawers. I'm going to be using those chopping boards because I've not been using them in a while in my house. So I just thought instead of throwing them away, I should just use them to protect my deep from getting dirt from blood stains and all. So yeah, that is what I'm doing there. Being innovative.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light